Shenzhen Haohaichang Industrial Company Limited, who was set up on September 19, 2001, is one of the subsidiary companies of American Y&F Enterprises. It is also the first enterprise established in China by Y&F Enterprises. We mainly manufacture series high-precision punching and CNC machining hardware products. This is sample chamber. Our company product categories more than 3,000 kinds. This is part of the representative product. Our products include 6 categories: car accessories, the thermostat fittings, electric heat pipe fittings, household appliances accessories, switch accessories, medical equipment fittings. From the mold designing to product and electroplating, all of the employees cohere their belief, strive for the best in the jobs. Experienced engineers, advanced machinery, and scientific management make the stable foundation of HHC to serve clients from different fields and enlarge business continuously. With one-stop production mode, we regard focus on quantity, run business under honesty as our tenet. Carry out strict international quality system of ISO 9001-2008 and international automotive quality management system of ISO TS 16949-2009. Through strict quality management, we could provide qualified products to the customers with lowest prices and perfect after-sales service. Firstly, showing is engineering department. We have unaided, complete ability to research, design and develop suitable products using drilling, grinding, milling, wire cutting machines, etc. Next is showing workshop of pressing. We have all kinds of high-speed precise punch machines and can produce different stamping products like terminals, brackets, connectors, rivets, etc. And here comes lathe department. We have advanced machines and equipment. For example, CNC machining with 5-axis, automatic lathes, grinding machines, etc. can supply bolts, nuts, and terminal pins, etc. The last showing is the quality department. We have well-equipped inspection facilities, such as spectroanalysis instrument, 3D measuring instrument, X-ray coating thickness gauge, sclerometer, D-projector, polisher. Excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enable us to guarantee customer satisfaction. Haohaichang future plans. Shenzhen Haohaichang Industrial Company Limited mainly focused on high-end automotive customer groups, medical equipment customer groups, and temperature-controlled customer groups. In the next 3 years, we will establish our industrial park production base. It covers an area of 13,000 square meters, the total construction area of 26,000 square meters. Warmly welcome you to come to order all sorts of hardware, hope to cooperate with you to create brilliant future together.